So I'm about to unlock this door. Show y'all. You know what I'm saying? See the key. The key is in there. See the camera? Camera right there. The key in there. See the key? I don't know if you can see it from right here, but the key is in there. Now we're gonna open this door. Open this door. Let's see where we could put this. We could put it like right here. Right here, bro. Right there. Ooh, I like this thing. This little thing right there. Get airbag for the so I gotta go from the top on the big truck. Oh, yep. Yep. From the top. Then pump it up. Get pressure. It's wide enough there. My fingers, I took this off, my finger almost got stuck. I put this up here now. I'll put another airbag right here at the top. So you gonna got it. You can hook this one to this one. That's pretty long. I'm putting it together now. It's a big truck, so. And as you see, door is open. The door is open, y'all. 4 or 5 minutes, first try, got the key. And that's how you unlock the door. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh shoot, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you ever need help with your keys locked in a car, give me a call. Give me a call. Phone number will be down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like and hit the red bell for the post notification on the next upload, because we uploading.